Iowa Interstate train here that I'm actually riding up next to. Wait, on my motorbike. Hey! On the Iowa Interstate train here. I'm riding right up next to him. That cool? Yeah. Cool engineer. Chillicothe, Illinois. On my motorbike. Yeah. Cool. Oh yeah. This is about almost as far as I'm going to be able to pace this train here. Locomotive 711, and they got a locomotive 718. Iowa Interstate, Chillicothe, Illinois. How cool is that? I followed them as far as I can go. And this should be a nice little treat for the rail fans. Gp40s, I believe those are, 2 of them. They're like a work train. And there we go. Hope you all enjoyed that. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe on EJ's Train Vids on YouTube. And also find EJ Trains on Facebook as well for more exclusive content. Looks like you're going to do some switching. Yeah, looks like you're going to do some switching. But that was pretty cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed it.